Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another Best Bet Trades video. In this video, guys, I want to show you my scalping today, how much I made. This week has been a very interesting week in the market. I told you guys I like, range bound days, but this week it's just been clappy for a lot of people. Not, specifically in our group. Our group's been doing phenomenal, but it's been clappy for a lot of people out there that, you think it's going to go long, start going long and people get in short and you get a crime candle that claps you. And that's why I always tell people, and Best Bet Trades always tells people, focus on scalping. That's why I love scalping. I don't like, having long exposure in the market. I like to get in and get out because I don't know about you guys, but I want to go to bed at night knowing that, my day's over. I don't have to worry about, oh God, is news going to drop, at 5 in the morning, or you never know. You guys know how it goes. So we're going to get into today, look at the price of, look at the, price action of ES by, again, $650 a day. This was a total of 2 scalps. Okay. And then I am going to start trading futures at nighttime, guys. I've been actually for the last couple days. This profit's from today, not from last night. But futures open at 6 p.m. So I do trade them then. So I'm actually going to start posting videos of specific nighttime futures trading because I want to give people who maybe work a full-time job that, can't trade, specifically between 9:30 and 4 o'clock. I want to be able to show you can make money by coming home and trading futures when they open at 6 o'clock too. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. You're probably like, all right, that's enough talking. So today, guys, obviously I run the VIX next to ES, which really it's been lacking a little bit behind. It kind of gives you a general consensus of where, ES or SPY is going to move, right? But overall today, guys, you really got to be a sniper, okay? I know the group, I slept in this morning like most mornings, but just because I'm a night owl, I stay up till 1 in the morning. But I know our group caught this. Remember, if you watch our strategy videos, and I have more to come, but the previous day high, previous day low strategy. This obviously the market doesn't open till 9:30, but futures are open, right? They caught this. You can see here there was a clear rejection off a previous day high. They got in here and rode this thing. I don't know if all of them held till all the way down, but I know there were a lot of people that were up thousands of dollars today in our group because obviously they got on the charts early. They seen, I mean, this is a pretty clear rejection off of previous day high. It actually wicked off at once, came up, wicked over it, and came back down. And this candle opened as an inside candle. And they drop. So fantastic play. That was called out in the trading group, guys. So if you're part of the Discord, you caught that play if you were up early. Again, I'm a night owl, so I sleep in till about 9:30, and then I make my coffee, and I'm not at the computer till about 10:30. So amazing play there. But for me specifically, guys, I identified this range that played here today. So obviously, look at all these candles here. So you came down and wicked below and wicked up, but overall, guys, this is a very strong level here because you can see wicking and candles have bounced off of this range all day long, right? Came up here, came back down, bounced up again. It's probably going to come up here unless we break out. But I'd be watching for it to get above these wicks, and then I would go, okay, yep, we're breaking out. We've opened, we're going higher than the wicks here on these candles. But until then, I wouldn't be surprised if this comes up here, maybe to the top of this wick, or even, not even all the way to the top and reverses back down, unless we have a late day breakout, which is definitely a possibility. But right now we're kind of in the middle of the range. This is kind of the middle of the range here, so. Again, it could break down to the downside or upside. That's why you have to be a scalper. But for me, guys, I played these levels, and like I said, $650, 2 plays. I scalped this candle up, sold, and then when it came down here, obviously you can see it held this level, kept going up. It couldn't break below it. I got in this little candle right here. I didn't get all the way to the bottom, but I got 3/4 down the candle, went into a long, got up, sold right there, done. Obviously, this would have been a beautiful play here, to get into. It's still ripping up. You'd be up huge. But again, I'm scalping, getting in, getting out as quick as possible because I don't, you know how it goes. Look at these crime candles. I mean, you can have a huge candle like this out of nowhere, and we've seen that, you know, for days on end. You go back and see, this is a good one here the other day. Everything starts going up and then boom, big candle down, go up, big candle up, boom, down. Like that's been happening the last couple days. So I've identified that and just holding a little less long, right? I'm just getting in for a candle, getting out so I don't get clapped by one of those criminal candles, right? So that's the story, guys. That's where I'm at. Good day today. Again, really, again, you could scalp any spot in this today for just a quick scalp. But again, this was a beautiful call out that they had this morning. Again, they made thousands where I only made $650. But for me, 650 is perfect. I missed out on this move, which, sucks a little bit, but I know a lot of people caught it, so I'm happy for them. But beautiful call out right here, right off a previous day high down. And then again, we've obviously developed this range here that we're in. Excuse me. And this is a perfect day to scalp all day. You go off of price action, right? When you stop scalping is when it breaks below here, right? If it breaks below where it's bouncing all day long, obviously the range has changed. So, and same with the upside here. So that's where it's at, guys. You could be using this all day to make money, but again, we always encourage people, if you're up, and you hit your profit and you're where you want to be, call it a day, be done, walk away, come back tomorrow to live to see another trading day. So that's the video, guys. Again, I do have more strategy videos coming out because those performed very well on the channel. And I feel like those are going to be videos people can constantly come back to. And we'll kind of update them and change them because, again, remember, the market's always changing. So that's the video, guys. I hope everyone's having a fantastic week, and we will see you on the next one.